Hello students, my name is Dr. Ibogna. I have done PhD from HNB Global University and qualified NET and B.Ed. I am teaching economics from last 20 years. So during lockdown period, I have started my channel on June 2020, and in this channel I have uploaded more than 160 videos in my YouTube channel. Or especially it is related with class 11th and 12th economics and those who are preparing for UGC NET examination. Today students, my topic is achievement of the goal of 5-year plan. Achievement of the goal. This topic is from the chapter 2nd Indian economy. Chapter 2nd Indian economy. This is the last question. Achievement of the 5-year planning. आप कह दें या आप कह दें गोल्स कह दें इसे. अचीवमेंट ऑफ द 5-year प्लानिंग और गोल्स. क्या क्या गोल्स रहे हैं 1950 से लेकर 1990 तक. व्हाट आर द गोल्स इन बिटवीन 1950 एंड 1990. अचीवमेंट ऑफ द 5-year प्लानिंग या अचीवमेंट ऑफ द गोल्स भी आ सकता है. अचीवमेंट ऑफ द 5-year प्लानिंग गोल्स 1950 टू 1990 में व्हाट आर द इम्प्रूवमेंट वी हैव सीन. तो फर्स्ट इम्प्रूवमेंट स्टूडेंट्स, ये क्वेश्चन बेसिकली कम्स फॉर 4 and 6 marks. So first point is what? Increase in national income. Increase in national income. So we have found that there is an increase in national income. हमारी नेशनल इनकम क्या हुई है? बढ़ी है. और अगर हम देखें प्रायर टू प्लानिंग नेशनल इनकम इन इंडिया, अगर हम प्लानिंग से पहले की प्रायर टू प्लानिंग करें, प्रायर to planning in India, अगर हम प्लानिंग से प्रायर टू प्लानिंग इन इंडिया अगर हम देखें, नेशनल इनकम इन इंडिया इंक्रीज एट द रेट ऑफ 0.5% पर एनम. नेशनल इनकम इंक्रीज्ड एट द रेट ऑफ 0.5%. At the rate of 0.5%. Prior to planning in India, national income increased at the rate of 0.5% per annum. Prior to planning in India, national income increased at the rate of 0.5% per annum. 2 अब कितनी होगी है? 2. अब अगर हम 7th प्लान देखें, to the end of 7th plan, that is 5.8% होगी नेशनल इनकम. अगर हम देखेंगे एट द टाइम ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस, प्रायर टू इंडिपेंडेंस से पहले 0.5% नेशनल इनकम थी. इट वॉज वेरी रिड्यूस एंड नाउ फ्रॉम 7th प्लान इट विल बिकम 5.8%. 5.8% तक इट विल बी इंक्रीज नेशनल इनकम. सो देयर इज इंक्रीज इन नेशनल इनकम. नाउ सेकेंड पॉइंट, रिफॉर्म्स इन एग्रीकल्चर. वी हैव फाउंड दैट देयर इज रिफॉर्म्स in agriculture. There is a reforms in agriculture. So we have seen that there were many reforms in agriculture during 1950 and 1990. So what are the reforms? First reform is what? Land reforms. Why? First land reforms. Second, रिमूव ऑफ जमींदारी सिस्टम. जमींदारी सिस्टम क्या हो गया? ख़त्म हो गया. रिमूव ऑफ जमींदारी सिस्टम इस बीच में 1990 के बीच में लैंड रिफॉर्म्स हुआ है, रिमूव ऑफ जमींदारी सिस्टम हुआ है. और हम ये कहते हैं कि इसमें क्या हुआ है? HY न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी. थर्ड पॉइंट, साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी. देयर इज इंप्रूवमेंट इन साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी. और अगर हम 4th पॉइंट की बात करें, देयर इज इंप्रूवमेंट इन साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी. एंड 4th पॉइंट वी कैन से दैट हाई यील्डिंग वैरायटी सीड्स ड्यू टू हाई यील्डिंग HYV, ड्यू टू हाई यील्डिंग वैरायटी सीड्स, there is a development for agriculture. And last point I am focusing on what? Green revolution. 5वां green revolution. सो ड्यू टू ग्रीन रेवोल्यूशन देयर इज ए मोर प्रोडक्शन ऑफ राइस एंड व्हीट, हरित क्रांति जिसे बोलते हैं, ड्यू टू ग्रीन रेवोल्यूशन, ड्यू टू विच देयर वाज मोर प्रोडक्शन ऑफ राइस एंड व्हीट। तो हमारा देखिए रिफॉर्म्स इन एग्रीकल्चर भी हुआ है। रिफॉर्म्स इन एग्रीकल्चर में फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लैंड रिफॉर्म्स हुआ है, रिमूव ऑफ जमींदारी सिस्टम हुआ है, साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी इंप्रूवमेंट हुई है, HYV हाई यील्डिंग वैरायटी सीड्स, हाई यील्डिंग वैरायटी सीड्स भी इसमें हुआ है, और ग्रीन रेवोल्यूशन की वजह से क्या हुआ, राइस, देयर इज ए मोर प्रोडक्शन ऑफ राइस एंड व्हीट। नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट थर्ड पॉइंट। तो गोल्स की मैं आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द गोल्स, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द गोल्स एंड आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट व्हाट 1950 to 1990. So what is the achievements in five-year planning? What we have? What are the achievements of five-year planning? What are the goals of five-year planning? So now what students? This is the third question. Third point. Sorry. First point is the increase in national income. Second point is what? Reforms in agriculture. Third point, growth and diversification of industry. Growth and diversification of industry. Diversification of industry means there is a development of what? हम ये कहते हैं growth and diversification of industry means basic industries and capital good industries. Five-year plans focus on, number one, focus on basic and focus on what? Basic, we can say basic and capital good industries and capital good industries. कैपिटल गुड इंडस्ट्रीज, ठीक है ना, फोकस ऑन बेसिक एंड कैपिटल गुड इंडस्ट्रीज एंड वी कैन फाइंड आउट डेवलपमेंट ऑफ हमारी आयरन एंड स्टील इंडस्ट्री, आयरन एंड स्टील इंडस्ट्री का डेवलपमेंट हुआ, डेवलपमेंट ऑफ आयरन एंड स्टील इंडस्ट्री एंड वी कैन फाइंड आउट व्हाट, हम मेटल इंजीनियरिंग गुड्स, मेटल प्रोडक्ट, इंजीनियरिंग गुड्स, डेवलपमेंट ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग गुड्स, iron and steel industry, engineering goods, we can say electronic industry, electronic industry and many more development of small and cottage industries. Large industry का तो हुई, there is a development of large industry but also development of small and cottage industries. Focus on basic and capital good industries, iron and steel industry and engineering good industry, electronic industry and development of small and cottage industry. And we are proud to say that we are exporting engineering goods also, we are exporting electronic goods also. Before that we are importing all these goods, are basic capital goods we are import from the foreign country Britain, but now we are exporting, we are self-reliant, that we are now what, exporting, you can say engineering goods, capital goods and leather goods, etc. Okay, focus on basic and capital industries, iron and steel industry development, engineering goods will be development, electronic industry will be focus more development of small and cottage industries. Now fourth point, we are talking about economic infrastructure. So economic infrastructure means it is the support system through which the economic development of the country take place. It is the support system through which what economic development of the country take place, and we can say that economic infrastructure which include we can say that transport sector, communication हो गया, banking हो गया, insurance, power sector will be developed. ये सब क्या हुआ, it will be developed. Economic infrastructure, transport, communication, banking, insurance, power sector will be developed. और हमने ये पाया during 1950-90 Indian Railways has achieved the largest network in the country. Indian Railways जो भारत की रेलवेज है उसने क्या करा, Indian Railways we can say has achieved the Indian Railways which providing the what largest employment, Indian Railways. तो इंडियन रेलवेज भी हम ये कहेंगे it will also develop during 1950-1990 and it provides the largest employment in the country. ठीक है. तो दिस इकोनॉमिक इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, ड्यू टू दिस वी कैन फाइंड आउट दैट ट्रांसपोर्ट विल बी इंक्रीज, कम्युनिकेशन विल बी इंक्रीज, power sector, banking sector, insurance sector, all these depends on economic infrastructure. Now students, now I am talking about social infrastructure. During 1950 what will be happen? Social infrastructure we are talking about. What is social infrastructure? So now social infrastructure, I am talking about social infrastructure. Fifth point, that is social infrastructure. In social infrastructure means it is a support system in which the development of the society will be take place. ये एक वो support system है जिसमें क्या होता है, development of the society will be take place. Now come to the point, social infrastructure, it include what? Health and education facilities, health, schools, कॉलेजेस, हेल्थ हो गया, स्कूल्स हो गया, कॉलेजेस हो गया है. दीज आर द सम इन, इट कम्स इन द सोशल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर इन विच देयर इज अ डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द सोसाइटी विल बी टेक प्लेस. तो वी कैन सी दैट health system will be improved, social system will be, schools will be improved, college, there are a lot of college will be developed during 1950-1990, and we can see that there is expansion of health facility, and when there was expansion of health facility, then there is a fall of death rate and fall of, we can say that, increase in average life expectancy. Due to what happens, if there is a health facility will be developed, then infant mortality rate will be low, death rate will be low, and life expectancy will be more. This is the main reason, that's why health facilities should be developed. Okay, 6th point, international trade. International trade. Now come to the point, international trade. So you can see that India was an export of primary product and import of finished products. India was, आपको पता है, हम we know that prior to planning से पहले, prior to independence हम कहते हैं, या prior to हम ये कहते हैं, prior to planning से पहले the condition of India was very pathetic. Prior to planning we can say that कि India was an exporter of primary product. India was an exporter of primary product, very important. This question comes many times. Prior to planning, India was an exporter of primary product and importer of finished goods, finished goods. Prior to planning, India was an exporter of primary product and importer of finished goods. So we can say that now India is self-dependent. He can export. Now India is self-dependent, that export engineering goods, capital goods, and consumer goods also. So now during 1950-1990, India was there tremendous increase in export and import of goods and services. एक्सपोर्ट इम्पोर्ट में थोड़ा सा क्या हुआ, बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ावा हुआ. एंड वी हैव एक्सपोर्ट व्हाट, इंजीनियरिंग गुड्स हो गया, वी कैन एक्सपोर्ट हैंडीक्राफ्ट गुड्स हो गया, वी कैन एक्सपोर्ट लेदर गुड्स, सॉरी, इंजीनियरिंग गुड्स हो गया, लेदर गुड्स हो गया. एंड वी आर सेल्फ डिपेंडेंट, आवर कंट्री इज सेल्फ डिपेंडेंट नाउ ड्यूरिंग 1950-90. 7th point, there is increase in, we can find that there is increase in saving and investment also. Saving and investment also during 1950-1990. So we have seen that science and technology is improvement. We have seen the development of agriculture should be there. Development of industrial sector is also there. Before that, we are importing many goods from foreign countries. Even consumer goods we are importing from foreign countries. Now we are self-dependent, that we are exporting goods to foreign countries. So students, this topic is very important, and it will comes in class 12th, chapter 2nd, that is Indian economic planning, and it also comes in competition also. Please see it, please subscribe my channel, and please concentrate what I am writing. These points are very important. I am giving my 20 years experience to you during this lockdown period. Please take the advantage. Thanks, Dr. Ibogna.